we got it!
Stand by. It's on the ground. Oh, thank God. Well, that was definitely not the best chase.
Man.
It's pretty.
Woo! It's on the ground!
Woo! I would high five.
We got it!
3 for 4! 3 for 4!
Wow!
3 for 4! Woo! I would tripod it, but it's too windy to leave the tripod up.
Oh yeah, way too windy.
I'm making it work.
I don't know how you are. That's crazy. Well, I would be hunched over like the hunchback of Notre Dame.
There it is. It's still going. I don't know what this is going to do.
We can keep following it.
That's on the ground. Oh my God.
It's in 42-degree weather.
Oh my God. We got tornado. Oh my God.
How did we do that?